Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more tech tips and tricks. Today we are addressing a common issue. What to do if you're unable to add a card to your Apple Wallet. If you're having trouble getting your card to work, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the problem. First, let's make sure everything is set up correctly on your iPhone. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure that your iPhone meets the requirements for adding a card. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS and check that your card issuer supports Apple Wallet. If your device and card are compatible but you're still having issues, try following the troubleshooting steps. Make sure you're entering the card details correctly. Double check the card number, expiration date, and or security code. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue, so hold down the power button and slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. Check for updates. Go to settings, go to general and tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is running in the latest version of iOS. If you're still having trouble, sometimes the issue is with your card issuer. Contact your bank or card issuer to ensure that your card is enabled for use with Apple Wallet and there are no restrictions. If none of these steps work, it might be helpful to contact Apple support directly for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.